channel. So today I went ahead and painted the engine bay. So I took care of that. So we finally got that done and we are moving into the right direction, man. I should have this car starting to build it, put the motor in, stuff like that, putting all the parts that I got. The other thing I wanted to show you guys was that I received my Hub City kit. So I want to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. So I got it right here. I have my axles there too. I already went ahead and opened those because I was excited, but I saved the best for last. So I am going to grab my razor blade real quick and start opening these. So we have our, let me fix the camera for you guys. Put this right here. And we also went with the spherical bushings from Hub City. So that's one. Grab the other one. So we got our two rear trailing arms. These go right in here. And so we got also our Hub City with lower control arms. We got some Hub City. Woohoo! Alright. There should be one more box. And we have our rear diff mount. I believe this is what gets welded from side to side. Couple bolts. And the plates. Alright guys, this is what we got. We got the full Hub City kit. We got the axles. I got a bunch of parts ready to put on. We'll get to it. I'll do some more unboxing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I painted the EK hatch, and we'll go on from there, man. as far as everything else goes, I should start putting this motor in the car, and we should have everything pretty much set and done already. Then I'll go see my boys over there at Fab to get the welding done for the kit. Alright, so this thing's all primered up. I'm gonna sand it down and hopefully paint it tomorrow, man, because I guess I got like 2 days of fucking hot weather that I gotta take advantage of. I am not waiting for this anymore. I wanna paint this shit, man. I'm trying to get this car on the road. So primer, I'm gonna sand it down tonight, let this dry a little bit, sand it down, tomorrow ready for paint. In that order. Let's do it. All right, guys, so what's going on? So I'm gonna take a quick run to Napa, and they apparently have the paint that you can mix it up, give them the paint code, they turn it into a spray can, and that's what we're looking for. And today was supposed to be really hot, so I can paint today, but as you can see, there's so much water vapor in the fucking air, you can't even see the fucking stop sign. That's just how it looks. That's where we at. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go take a trip to Napa, go grab my paint and do that shit. I'll be right back, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this car. This is the paint that we're using. We went to Napa and picked it up. It's all primered, I scuffed it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting, man. All right, guys, so I got the car painted. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I will show you guys the outcome on the next video. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit that bell so that you guys get the notification when I post up the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Much love. Have a good day, guys.